This is a 66 Impala that I found in Virginia back in February. It's all original, one owner, 70,000. AC car and power steering car, which was rare back then. Car originally sold for $2,600. I paid $2,500 for it. Some of the cool features on it. Dual climate control on the AC, which was rare. You got both sides. It hadn't been on the road since 1986. It was sitting in a garage in Virginia. It was bought at Petersburg Chevrolet. It still has the original tags on it. I put airbags, upper and lower, control arms, air ride system, disc brake conversion all the way around. Redoing the interior back to all original on the motor. The patina is all original. And I'm gonna leave the patina the way it is for now. Nothing's been touched on the paint.
When do you know when to wash it?
I don't. I wash the wheels.